friends, today we are going to draw and color the numbers together. Let's start. It's going to be so much fun. First of all, I am going to draw the number 1. Now I am going to draw the number 2. Now let's draw the number 3. Now I am going to draw the number 4. Now let's draw the number 5. Can you tell me which number is your favorite number? I like all of them. Learning numbers is so much fun. Now I am going to draw the number 6. Now let's draw the number 7. Now I am going to draw the number 8. Nine. Lastly, I am going to draw the number 0. Let's color them. Purple. Blue. Orange. Which color should I pick next? Can you help me? Green. Green is my favorite color. Pink. Green. Orange. Blue. Purple. Pink. Ta-da! We are done. I had so much fun drawing numbers with you. Do you have fun with drawing numbers with me? See you next time. Bye.